guys, my good people. I'm going to show you how to prepare numbers for snacks for kids. Yeah, you put all cooking oil, then you put your numbers. This is the easiest snacks to make. The easiest snacks to prepare. The easiest snacks to prepare, my people. Yeah. You see how they are? They look amazing. So delicious. The cheapest snacks to prepare. Yeah, this is how they make it and they pack for us. We pay 10. Just the easiest one. You see how cheaper is. I like this. I really like this. I was called to prepare somewhere. Yeah, I was preparing for there is a kid who has a party day today. Then I was preparing for the party. Yeah, you see. I normally tell you you have the best chef. You can't agree with me. You see today. You see how I did it. Oh wow, that's the chef. That the chef of the day. That was the chef of the day. Now let's remove them. Let's remove them. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And you go buy them at the shops. 10 bob. 10 shillings. 10 shillings. Like those ones. This 10 bob. 10 bob in the shops. 10 bob. Hey, it's too much. Sometimes it's too much. Then the second round, I think this was the fourth round, because the first rounds were being cooked with my daughter. My daughter prepared some at first. Then I came and I started from where she was already, but she was the one started. She knows how to cook them. Yeah, she prepared for some like 3 eyes. Yeah, then me it came, I prepared I think twice, if not 3 eyes. Yeah, something like that. The other part is not on the video, but I prepared 3 eyes because of the cooking area was not that much. It was small in size. Then we were to put small. Yeah, but you see how we did. Yeah, don't make your kids tell you each and every time we need snacks. You just go buy these ones, then you prepare for them like few of them today, then after 2 days then you prepare. Not that hard to prepare. You can prepare them, yeah, anytime you can. They don't just need more cooking oil. They don't use more heat. No, just medium heat. Yeah, never use more heat because they'll not come out well. They'll not be like mine. Yeah. And that's all. That's how we ended the day. That's the day. That's our day. That's how we ended our whole day today. 1st June. That's our 1st June. That's what we did today. And that's all. Please subscribe.